Are Mk7 Rs known to burn oil? I'm at 96K and I change my oil every 5K. I usually have to add half to 1 quart in between oil changes.
Okay, so Mk7's, as far as I'm aware, are not prevalent for burning oil. They can burn oil, and that's something that clearly you're experiencing. That is not a ton of oil that I expect to see. Again, if you continue to get higher intervals between changes, you're probably gonna consume more. That's not something that VW is going to do anything about, and there's really not a lot of actionable advice you could take in that circumstance. The only thing you might consider is, because there's been a bunch of revisions to PCV valves, is maybe updating your PCV valve, because that is one thing that can cause some variation in crankcase problems and whatever, which could be a result in oil burning. So that's probably the only remedy that you could have. Otherwise, just make sure you're maintaining your oil level.